Hey, it's a pleasure to meet you. Everybody around here calls me Munch, and you can too. This is the world that I live in. Moop is a magical land filled with all sorts of wonders. French fry trees with ketchup bulbs, cola rivers, nacho bushes. Well, you get the picture. And growing among the plant life here is a plant like one that you have on Earth. It's fun, creative, and pure. However, it makes you hungry. And when people on Moop get hungry, well, let's just say that they're not healthy eaters. It seems that monsters and people alike are most likely to eat the things that they have handy. So, I had an idea. What if the food that you had handy was healthy for you? What if it tasted just as good, but it didn't make you feel bad after you ate it? So, I wrote this book filled with healthy recipes for the next time you get the munchies.
Healthy Munch is a brand that defies stereotypes and empowers cannabis enthusiasts to make healthier choices. Our lovable monster, Munch, is on a mission to show the world that pot connoisseurs can enjoy delicious, nutritious snacks and meals.
You see, I'm sick of all the big companies capitalizing on the negative images of smokers. You watch these ads, and they make it look like every smoker is a lazy burnout.
I'd rather have spoons for hands.
77% of cannabis users reportedly eat unhealthy while high. These giants of junk food are tapping into the trend, further fueling an American health crisis and perpetuating the idea that stoners are losers.
Hey, but guess what? Munch's buddies aren't lazy, and they're not losers.
That's right, and there's data to support it. In fact, 8 out of 10 cannabis users incorporate weed into their exercise habits.
They want to be healthy, but they're constantly bombarded with unhealthy options.
And that's where Healthy Munch comes in. Our brand is here to offer an alternative for those who are tired of being preyed upon by junk food companies.
With us, you don't have to be a health nut. You just have to be a normal person who's fed up eating poorly and be ready for a change. Together we can break the mold and show the world that cannabis and living a healthy lifestyle go hand in hand.
Let's challenge the status quo and embrace the delicious world of Healthy Munch. Inside the book, you'll find recipes to replace your go-to munchies.
This book is about what you crave most when you're enjoying cannabis. Snacks, baby!
You don't know decadence and luxury until you've tried some frosty, fresh avocado pudding. Every bite is a mouthful of rich, creamy goodness.
It's like a vacation in your mouth, and it only takes 10 minutes to make.
Or how about these delicious carrot cake bars?
They are great for chowing down when you make music with your friends.
We've got everything from smoothies and shakes to delicious dragon fruit ice cream to muffins and more.
Make one of our 71 snacks ahead of time, and they'll be ready for you when you need them.
The future of the Healthy Munch brand is bright and full of exciting possibilities. We're starting with a cookbook, but there's the potential for a whole universe around Munch and his mission to promote healthier eating habits for cannabis enthusiasts. We've already designed adorable Munch plushies and captivating illustrations that fans fall in love with.
Imagine cuddling up with me while enjoying a nutritious snack from our cookbook.
We're working on bringing the brand to life through entertaining and educational cooking videos. Picture an actress with signature green nails and googly eyes guiding you step by step through our delightful recipes.
I'll be there too, talking the audience through all their sticky situations.
This could naturally lead to recipe cards, kitchen accessories, even a mobile app to help you track nutrition and discover new recipes.
Ooh, I would love to do a podcast or a cartoon or a comic series where me and my friends on exciting culinary adventures.
Slow down. For right now, it all starts with the cookbook.
With your support, we could transform the way that people view cannabis consumers and inspire healthy eating habits for everyone. So let's embark on this incredible journey together. And make the world a happier, healthier place.